What's up, Nighthawks? I'm Giovanna Vega.
And I'm Kyle Catley.
And welcome back to the DNN Pulse. Looking back, I miss the elementary school Valentine's days where we just had parties and ate candy.
Me too. I love getting the Krabby Patties during our class exchange.
Yeah, the free candy was definitely a plus.
I wish I was in elementary school.
Well, thankfully, we have some of our DNN members to walk us down memory lane with previous Valentine's days from elementary, middle, and high school.
Okay, class, since it's Valentine's Day, there will be no classwork.
I love Valentine's Day. I can't wait to ask Rachel to the dance.
But there will be homework.
I heard you and John are dating.
Yeah, we are. If he doesn't hold my hand at the Valentine's Day dance, I'm gonna kill him.
You've been dating for 2 days.
But, like, I love him.
What do you know about love?
It's for you.
Thank you. See?
Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Wait, it's Valentine's Day?
A great deal to me.
Brayden, you're so funny.
With Valentine's Day in the rearview mirror, many sports fans are looking to move forward from a season of heartbreak.
Not to worry, our DNSN crew has made Valentine's Day cards for some of our biggest sports fanatics on campus.
Bananas! Wow!
So, in my wonderful time at DNN, I've learned that Mr. Navarez is a huge 49ers fan. And so, to celebrate Valentine's Day, I thought it would be fun to make him a card featuring Jimmy Garoppolo. So, for those who don't know, Jimmy Garoppolo was a backup quarterback to everyone's favorite Tom Brady for the Patriots when they won their Super Bowl. And over the offseason, the 49ers signed Garoppolo to a 5-year, $137.5 million contract, which is absurd because Garoppolo didn't have any experience or anything. He was just the backup quarterback. And so, ironically, in the first game he played, Jimmy Garoppolo tore his ACL and was out for the season. So I thought I'd like to remind Mr. Navarez about this.
My love for you is as strong as Jimmy Garoppolo's ACL. I feel like that's so uncalled for. There was like so much hope, and then he just wanted 2 extra yards on a run. Like, just go out of bounds, Jimmy. I don't get it.
Today I'm going to be making a Valentine's Day card from Mr. Santiago. Here we got LeBron, and he's 3 chairs away from all of his teammates. Because last week, the Lakers lost to the Pacers, who suck, by 42. So I decided to make this card just for her.
Roses are red, violets are blue. The Lakers played the Pacers and lost by 42? What the heck? Oh my goodness! That is just wrong.
Today I'm going to be making a Valentine's Day card for Mr. Edelstein. So when I heard Mr. Edelstein was a fan of the Warriors, I thought, how can I make fun of a team that's gone to 4 straight NBA Finals, won back-to-back championships, and are well under their way to their 3rd this year? And then I remembered, only 3 years ago, up 3-1 in the finals against the LeBron James team in the Cavaliers, whose one of their best players was J.R. Smith. The Warriors had 2 home games to get it done, and they lost the finals in what would be one of the most infamous comebacks in NBA history.
You really appeal to me, but don't let that distract you that the Warriors blew a 3-1 lead. Oh, bananas! Wow!
Whether you're single or dating this Valentine's Day,
Here is a video on how you might spend your time with loved ones.
What do you want to watch?
How about To All the Boys I Loved Before? Are you still watching? Of course I'm still watching.
Then we wouldn't have to wait so long. And
Valentine's Day tends to come with a lot of baking for that special someone, but not everyone is familiar in the kitchen.
So we gathered 2 seniors to test their baking abilities.
What's up, Nighthawks? I'm Sophia, and today we're doing a baking competition between Eric and Chase where they get ingredients but no recipe. Let's get right into it.
What's up, guys? I'm Eric. I think I'm qualified to be here because I'm the second highest cookie seller at Wendy's, right behind my boy Ethan.
What's going on, Nighthawks? I'm Chase. Pretty qualified to be here. I can make some mean scrambled eggs and I cook a lot when I'm camping. I need a whisk.
You use your hand. Ready, set, go.
Alright. Yo.
Oh.
This is not fun.
Probably gonna have to go home.
We cut and baked the cookies, now it's time to decorate.
Can we just go? Let me make the heart a little red.
Thumbnail. Alright, here we go. Hey, that is not bad.
This doesn't taste that bad.
It could be worse.
Tastes like a Scooby snack.
Definitely not.
They're not bad, but would I eat them again? Probably not.
They're not that bad. Eric's definitely has more flavor.
No,
I gotta give it to Eric.
Yeah, sorry, Chase.
Take off the jacket because you're not champion anymore.
Oh.
Cut that out, editor, cut that out.
Looking to spend Valentine's Day watching movies with that special someone?
Or, with your special self.
Kaden and Selma are here to give you a couple romantic recommendations.
Valentine's Day is honestly the worst holiday.
Why?
Because if you're in a relationship, you have to buy stuff, and if you're single, you just are depressed.
You're not really depressed.
I haven't had a girlfriend since like freshman year.
I know, yeah.
So like
Stop.
that happens,
I know. It's just, I don't know.
I know what you're saying though. Like
I've not had a good Valentine's Day in a long time.
laughing.
Hey, I'm Katie.
I'm Salma.
And it's Valentine's weekend! So today we're going to be recommending some movies that you want to watch, maybe to get in the Valentine's Day spirit.
Alright, so let's go down our list.
Alright guys, so the first one on our list today is La La Land, one of my personal all-time favorite movies.
La La Land is super, super, super fun to watch.
Super fun. Ryan Gosling and Emma Stone are electric together. Just makes you feel good in the soul,
Next one on our list is 10 Things I Love About You?
Hate About
You. Next thing on our list is 10 Things I Hate About You.
Awesome romantic comedy. It's based on Shakespeare's The Taming of the Shrew, and the chemistry in that, electric too. Another great romantic movie, this one with Tom Hanks and Meg Ryan, Sleepless in Seattle.
Sleepless in Seattle. This one's a super, super classic. It's like Catfish, but like it turns out good. The next one we have on our list, cliche, but it's The Notebook.
Love this movie.
Never seen it.
Was not expecting to when I saw it, and if this is a movie, if you're single, this is one to watch because it'll make you cry. Because that's what Nicholas Sparks does to you. He wrecks your soul.
More on the modern side of Valentine's Day movies, we have To All the Boys I Ever Loved.
That's To All the Boys I've Loved Before.
What?
Netflix has come out with a lot of romantic comedies recently.
They
did
have.
that. They did The Kissing Booth. Well, all right, Salma, I think that's enough of us talking.
You're right. Let's go see what our Nighthawks would recommend this weekend.
So what is one of your favorite Valentine's Day movies?
One of my favorite Valentine's Day movies is 10 Things I Hate About You.
That's a very, very good one. You like Heath Ledger?
I do.
Is he a snack?
Me, I definitely would say When Harry Met Sally and Princess Bride.
Oh man, this is gonna sound really emo, but I like Romeo and Juliet because it's like a tragedy.
Okay.
And it kind of shows you what not to do with your romance story.
That's a good point.
Okay, so I highly recommend the movie La La Land. It also has a lot of romantic theme.
I don't really watch romantic movies, but I've seen a lot of telenovelas.
Okay.
So like Rebelde.
All right, so are there any Valentine's Day movies that maybe you would not so much recommend?
Probably The Kissing Booth. I didn't really like that one.
So the rom-com that I most like is You've Got Mail. It's a little older. Just for me, a perfectly well-rounded movie.
Pearl Harbor is a good one.
That's interesting.
It's a good one. I mean, it has romance in there and it also has some action, so a little bit for everyone.
People getting bombed, you know.
Happy Valentine's Day!
That's all we have for this episode. This has been Giovanna.
And Kyle.
And we'll see you next time, Nighthawks.
What's going on, senior ladies? This is Del Norte. I'm Eric Wheeler. You can usually catch me by the pool or flipping some burgers at Wendy's if you're looking for that special Valentine's Day date.